Okay, so hey YouTube. I'm going to be showing you my two favorite slimes. And before the video start, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos on my YouTube channel. And it's not just about slime, it's a whole bunch of stuff. So, let's get started. I don't know what I'm going to name this one, but so far, I think I'm going to call it like a mixture when you do food coloring together. I might most likely going to call this one Dusty Rose. Most likely. Watch. Ouch. Bloop. Then let's do oh man, a little slime swirl. I'm not that good at doing slime swirls yet. I guess. Okay, on to the next. It is, I'm most likely going to call this one Cherry. Okay. This one is Cherry. This one is mainly a jiggly slime. And this is why. Okay. I don't think jiggly slimes make good bubbles. Well, it's okay with the bubble pops. This one, I like this one, but I like the other one way better. See, watch the pokes. Because it's a jiggly slime. But the pops are good. Okay. And my favorite two out of these will have to be this one. Whoa. If this thing don't come out this container, it will have to be this one. I'm going to give it another pop. Oh, no. I guess it's going to have a little bit of the cherry in it. Mess this one up. Yep. And that's that's it for the video. And let's get to 40 subscribers. Make sure you tell your friends, all your friends, to come see my videos and subscribe to my channel. It'll be very helpful. Okay, bye. Never mind. Make sure. And I just want to say, I hope you enjoyed this video. And more will be dropping soon because I post twice a week. Bye.